Reform Trinidad from Turan. Reform Trinidad. Can we march is slow and quick time.
The number 1 division is commanded by for the Standard Party.
Remove headdresses. Remove headdresses. And then we give 300 chairs to His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Hip, hip, hip.
To build a peaceful resistance and build lasting legacies for our state. As you can see, the beginnings have been
to support and witness this anniversary. Our beautiful women, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, fraternal greetings to all of you who have gathered here on this auspicious morning as we join the rest of the country to celebrate the independence of our country. Today, we celebrate the 64th Independence Day of our country. It was on this historic day in 1960 that the first Prime Minister of Nigeria, Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, raised our much cherished green, white, green flag to signify the independence and freedom of Nigeria from British colonial rule. Therefore, today is an occasion to remember the heroic sacrifice and achievement of our founding fathers and all other brave men and women who participated in one way or the other in the struggle of our freedom, and rededicate ourselves to the unity, service, and progress of our nation. The vision of our founding fathers at independence was to build a united, secured nation anchored on the value of brotherhood, democracy, justice, and equality of all people, tribe, and nation. Our leader, past and present, have kept on doing their best to keep the country together and advance the progress and well-being of our citizens. However, Nigeria still total amidst diverse challenges, including widespread human insecurity. After 64 years of self-rule, indeed, the prevailing economic hardship has made life more difficult for most Nigerians. But despite the economic hardship and the social ill bedeviling our nation and striving its progress, we still have good reason to celebrate and be grateful to God as a nation and people. We are all known all over the world as hardworking, confident, and happy people. We are known for our numerous natural and human resources and economic potential. We are also known for our rich cultural diversity, a vibrant nation where different religions, languages, and tradition coexist peacefully. This is truly what and who we are, and we shall be proud and thankful to God that has endowed us with all that we need to build a great nation where no one is oppressed and can live in peace and plenty. Fellow citizens, having been in office as governor for a little above 1 year, I've come to realize, as other patriots, that the thing that unites us, including our collective hope and aspiration for a better nation, are more than the little differences that tend to divide us. Therefore, it falls on all of us as citizens of this great country to keep faith with our founding leaders by reaffirming our fidelity to the record that we are one indivisible nation under God and pledge ourselves to each other at the cause of freedom, peace, and justice. Let us also commit ourselves to work hand in hand with the federal government to tackle the economic, social, and political challenges, including judicial terrorism, nepotism, corruption, and abuse of power that have diminished our democracy, staved our growth, and caused untold hardship to our people. With an unyielding commitment to democracy, the rule of law, good governance, and working together for the common interest, we can overcome all our challenges and prevail over the enemies of progress. It is only through our collective efforts that Nigeria can become the greatest black nation, global leader in human civilization that we all want her to be. I commend our president for his bold, dynamic, and pragmatic economic reform, which are targeted at correcting the structural deformity of the past and ushering in a new vista of sustainable economic growth and prosperity to our country. I urge fellow governors to redouble their efforts to fight the surge of insecurity and banditry in the north and pipeline vandalization and oil theft in the Niger Delta region of the country. for the ongoing economic reform to bear the needed positive fruit. On our part, we assure the federal government and Mr. President of our unalloyed loyalty, support from the government and people of Rivers State, and reaffirm our commitment to the unity and progress of Nigeria as one individual nation. We will continue to support and work with the federal government and the security agencies to advance the security and well-being of our citizens, protect the national economic assets, and guarantee the security and smooth operation of local, national, and multinational companies and investments in our state. We further pledge to ensure the safety and security of life and property and guarantee equal social and economic opportunity for all residents of Rivers State. Our faith and strength are in God, who will enable us continue to promote, protect, and defend the political and social economic interests of our dear state at all costs. I further assure you that we will never compromise on our commitment to delivering the dividend of democracy and good governance to the citizens of Rivers State. We will complete the Port Harcourt Ring Road, the Ikwere Mowa Ogboegbe Mandoni Link Dual Carriage Way, all other ongoing projects as scheduled. We will also deliver the Trans-Kalawari Road before the end of our first term. Degema, Omok, and the General Hospital at Bonny. Work has also started in the new General Hospital, Rumibo, and the new ultra-modern psychiatric hospital, also at Rumibo. Our effort Our efforts in healthcare manpower development have resulted in the full accreditation of the Rivers State University Teaching Hospital for 4 special programs, including surgery, plastic reconstruction surgery, urology, radiodialysis, diagnosis, orthopedics, from the West African College of Surgeons. We have also made considerable improvements in the internal revenue generation and set up the Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency to drive the industrialization of the state to create jobs and generate more economic opportunities and revenue for citizens of the state. Agriculture for food security, job creation and empowerment, and other areas of interest, including transportation, youth skill, blue economy, micro, small, and medium enterprise development will receive serious and dedicated attention going forward. I extend my thanks and appreciation to our brave armed officers for their service and sacrifice in defense of our freedom, unity, and security of our nation. I also thank and appreciate the police, the Department of State Security, and other security agencies for their sacrifice and contribution in internal peace, security, and stability of our states. I also thank and appreciate the good people of Rivers State and Nigeria across the country for their support and standing with us on the side of courage, truth, and justice from the inception of our government to date. I assure you that we will never surrender to barefaced lies and blackmail from anyone, no matter how powerful he may be, but remain focused and rededicated to the interests of our nation, our dear state, and the cause of the good and peace-loving people of Rivers State. Finally, I wish all Nigerians a happy 64th Independence Day, and may God bless our nation, Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.